J'étais malade pendant 2 mois.
In the first week of the second month, I was now down and admitted in my room in the hospital.
Les premières semaines du deuxième mois, j'étais hospitalisé à Rouen.
Thereafter, I was discharged and the doctor said I had no more sickness.
J'étais relancé et puis j'ai dit que je ne suis pas malade.
After that week, on a Thursday, I was now totally ill and taken to hospital. I didn't know how I reached the hospital.
Après cela, le jeudi, j'étais complètement malade, mais je ne sais pas où on m'a amené.
When I was sick, I had nothing to do.
Quand j'étais malade, je n'avais rien à faire, il n'y a pas de travail.
As I was sick and taken to hospital, I didn't realize myself, but what I saw was I was moving to a place, and in that place I found 2 people who were putting on white and they were having wings.
Quand j'étais à l'hôpital, je ne savais pas ce qui s'était passé avec moi. J'ai vu des personnes à côté de moi, ils ont porté des tenues blanches.
When I passed those people, I reached and I found my late grandfather who died long ago. And when I reached there, then my grandfather told me to go back.
Quand j'ai passé les 2 personnes, je me suis rencontré avec mes grands-parents. Il m'a dit que non, que je puisse les retourner.
When I was coming back from that place, the first person I saw was our spiritual father, and I found him praying for me.
Quand je l'ai retourné, la première personne que j'ai rencontrée, c'était notre père spirituel, papa. Il était en train de prier pour moi.
When now I opened my eyes on the hospital bed, I found on my right hand they had put blood and on the other one they had put glucose.
Quand j'ai ouvert mes yeux, j'ai trouvé que dans ma main droite, on a mis du sang, dans l'autre, on a mis des sérums.
Then on Friday, I was discharged immediately.
Alors le vendredi, on m'a relancé de l'hôpital pour revenir à la maison.
Then when I reached home, I again felt sick.
Quand je suis arrivé à la maison, je suis tombé encore malade.
As I was home, I had the blessed water, which was blessed from this place. Then I took the water and all the pain in my body disappeared.
Quand je suis arrivé à la maison, j'ai pris l'eau bénie. Finalement, je me suis constaté qu'il n'y avait pas de maladie. Je suis bien portante.
Then after the pain disappeared, I would see a coffin ahead of me. And in the middle of the coffin, they tied a red cloth.
Au moment où je me suis réveillé, devant moi, j'ai vu un cercueil. Alors, le cercueil était emballé avec un lambeau rouge.
From Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and on Monday, now my neighbor was like, is this woman mad? Because when I see the coffin, I start praying with a lot of.
Le vendredi, samedi, dimanche et puis lundi, alors j'ai essayé de voir ce qui se passe avec moi. La maladie s'est continuée et puis alors mon voisin a dit, est-ce que vraiment je suis fort?
On Tuesday, then I reached here. I sat on the second seat in front there. But when our spiritual father entered the house, his presence started burning my body.
Le mardi, j'étais assis sur la deuxième chaise. Lorsque notre père spirituel était entré ici, j'ai commencé à sentir la douleur dans mon corps.
Then after I started feeling uncomfortable. I moved out, I came in, I moved out, I came in again. My neighbors who were sitting next to me, they all felt uncomfortable and moved away from me. But when I sat, I saw the coffin again, and this time it opened.
Je n'étais pas confortable, je sors, j'entre, je sors, j'entre. Alors, tout à coup, j'ai aussi vu les cercueils étaient ouverts.
But when our spiritual father started praying, I saw the coffin started burning with the rope, and it burnt totally down.
Au moment où notre père spirituel a commencé à prier, j'ai vu les cercueils étaient en train de brûler avec la corde.
And thereafter, I moved home. When I reached home, there was no more disturbance of the coffin and no more any other disturbance. I slept like a baby up to morning.
Quand je suis arrivé à la maison, je me suis endormi. J'ai passé la nuit comme un bébé. Maintenant, je ne suis pas troublé avec la maladie.
Then I started receiving calls from my customers, and now my business is even booming.
Après cela, j'ai commencé à recevoir un coup de téléphone chez les clients. Maintenant, le commerce marche bien.
Stop jealousy. Clap your hands. Such a wonderful, powerful testimony. You are looking like you are not even happy that she's testifying. Madam, did you offend these people? What the enemy meant for me, God has what the enemy meant for me, oh God has turned it around for my good. We say what the enemy meant for me, God has fire started burning you. The atmosphere changed. And then when I was praying, the coffin was burning. And you were going somewhere, you saw some people on white, and they had wings. Then you passed them. When you were coming back, you saw me. I was praying for you. Let me tell you what it means. She was supposed to die. So she's already going to judgment. But I was interceding and they returned her back. One more time. What the enemies meant for me, God has Yahweh has what the enemies meant for me, God has done it around for my what the enemy God has whatever Satan, stand to your feet. I don't know what you heard. Whatever Satan is planning over your life, may the angels of God never allow it to succeed over you. Listen, you are coming back for more testimonies.